guys.
Hi,
He literally
guys.
just said, I don't care in all
Today I'm
caps.
playing on a
Get
wig.
out whoever you are. Wait a second, Dad. This is my best friend. This is literally Gabby. She's the best person in the whole world. He said, I don't care in all caps, guys. He's literally just yelling now. He said, you're grounded. No friends. Oh my God, Gabby, I'm so sorry. I think you have to leave. She said, bye, Brooke, with your sad face. Oh my God, I should never have gotten her involved in this. She literally just got sad and hurt. He said you're gonna be grounded for a long time, Brooke.
Every time I get to a checkpoint, I have to wear it now.
He chooses your punishment. Oh my God, guys, this could not be happening.
When I
You could
wear
not
it
let me
now,
choose my punishment.
then I put it
Oh
down.
my God, he's moving closer to me. He said, ooh. Oh my God, guys, did he really just say it like that? I like this idea. Bro, why in the world would my dad not believe me? He literally knows that Liam built a shrine. Is he crazy? He said, for your punishment, ... you do whatever I say. Whenever I say it. Oh my God, guys, Liam cannot rule over me. Okay, you know what? I am completely out of this house. I am so done with this family. I'm gonna go live under a dumpster or something. I can't live here anymore.
Home. It's creating a space for a lifetime of lions. It's savoring years of homemade meals. And it's finding your style and knowing it's meant to last. Because you don't just furnish a home, you grow one. Oak Furniture Land. Grow your home.
Moments later.
Okay, I think I can go in now.